What's up, y'all? Truckers Life, and I'm back with a breakfast today, y'all. Pulling out the grill, y'all. Pulling out the grill. I got it on low because the steak is still frozen. So what I'm going to do is while it's thawing, it's going to be slowly cooking it without drying it out. I seasoned one side again. I'm using the Bearded Butcher's butter blend. On this side, too. And then I'm just going to cover it up and let it do what it do. 200 degrees, y'all. 200 degrees. And just let it do what it do, baby. Yeah, we're going to have some steaks and some scrimps and some eggs for breakfast, y'all. We do it at Gourmet. Cook it in a truck, y'all. Check me out. Alright, y'all, it's time to get these eggs going. I'm gonna make a couple fried eggs. Oh, what am I doing? Yes, I got eggs. Ooh, I broke one while I was driving, I guess. I don't know. It ain't leaking out. Let me let this butter melt. And I'll get them going. These steaks are coming out pretty nice like. I got my pan plugged in. Gotta swirl that butter around the bottom so these eggs don't stick. And I want to say RIP to FBG Duck. They arrested his killers. About time. Just can't believe who it was, man. How'd you grow up with somebody and you end up killing them? And then to find out he was set up, he had a ransom on his head. That's janky right there. But hey, let's keep it positive. Getting these eggs going. Again, I'm gonna use the Bearded Butcher butter blend again. I need to tap in with my cousin for some more of his seasoning. But y'all, I'm eating good breakfast today. A good breakfast today. Yes, sir. Good breakfast today. Cook it to a nice medium rare. Medium at the most. It's time to put the eggs in. 2 eggs. There we go. Of course, I don't like no wet yolk, so I bust my yolk. There we go. A little bit of this on top. Cover it up. Just covering it up to help cook it all the way around. I'm just making sure it don't slip and fall. But I'll be back when I put the scrimps on. My bad, y'all. I thought I pushed record. I pushed picture on accident. But I just put the shrimp on. Of course, use the butter blend again. Damn it. Use the butter blend again. And now I'm just flipping the shrimp. This whole time I thought it was freaking recording. Nah, it was taking a picture. I just put a little bit of butter on the grill, put the butter blend on it, shook it up in the bag, and put it on the grill. The eggs are coming out good. Steak is good up there, it's resting. dinner will be done in about, dinner. I'm used to saying dinner because I usually don't do breakfast, but I got time today. But yeah, it's gonna be delicious. But hey, I'll be back when it's done. Alright, y'all, I'm back. See, I got the steaks done. Y'all see? Yes, sir. I got 2 of them done. I'm gonna make the other one for dinner tonight. Now, just cut it up. Slice it up. Nice medium rare. Oh yeah. That's real good. Grab another plate real quick. You know, I like my plates to be clean. Nice medium rare steak. This goes in the trash. Oh. Take the egg out. Got the egg done. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on there like this. And just fold it over. There we go. Put this down here. Now time for the scrimps, y'all. Probably gonna take a nap after I eat this. Bug it, right? But y'all, we are done. Y'all ready to look at this plate? Put it up here so y'all can really check it out. Y'all ready? Ciao. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all, tell me what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the content, y'all. Let's grow. All right, y'all. Truckers, and I'm out.